Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bingo Blitz game for your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Android Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Bingo Blitz and start your search. Once you find the Bingo Blitz game, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once the installation is done, you will see the play button. Go ahead and tap on play, and now this will open up the Bingo Blitz game on your device and you can start playing it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bingo Blitz game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.